Very good morning, students. Today we see the new topic called the electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. Okay, the galvanic cells are electrochemical cell in which the electron transfer due to redox reaction are converted into electrical energy. Okay, the cell, next we see the construction of the cell. The galvanic cell consists of zinc electrode dipped in 1 molar zinc sulfate solution, the copper electrode dipped in 1 molar copper sulfate solution. So here each electrode is known as half cell. The two solutions are interconnected by salt bridge and the two electrodes are connected with a wire through a voltmeter. Okay, this is the cell diagram. Here we see the zinc electrode and the copper electrode, which is dipped in a zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solution. There is salt bridge is connected between the two half cells. The left hand side one of the half cell is there, and the right hand side one of the half cell is there. The two half cells are connected using salt bridge. Okay. Next, we see the reaction occurs in the cells. There are two types of reactions which are possible in this cell, galvanic cell. The first reaction is the anodic reaction. Basically, we know the oxidation takes place in the zinc electrode by liberation of electron. So, this electrode is called a negative electrode. Okay. Here the zinc which is converted to zinc Zn Zn2 plus and losses 2 electron. And at cathode, reduction takes place in the copper electrode by the acceptance of electron. The copper accepts 2 electrons from the zinc. So this electrode is called positive electrode or cathode. So here we see the cell reaction and the net cell reaction. Then we see what is salt bridge. Salt bridge consists of U-shaped tube containing saturated solution of potassium chloride ammonium nitrate in agar-agar gel. It connects two half cells of the galvanic cell. Okay. And then function of salt bridge, it eliminates liquid junction potential. It provides electrical continuity between the two half cells. This is the major function of the salt bridge. And then condition of cell which act as a standard cell. The cell which act as a standard cell whose EMF of the cell is reproductive, and also the temperature coefficient of the cell or EMF should be very low, or change in EMF the temperature should be very low. These are the two conditions which act as a standard cell. Thank you, students. We will discuss the next topic in next class. Thank you.